Hey guys, welcome back to the Edimakor channel. This is Edimakor Guide, create with ease, edit like a breeze. Adding subtitles to your videos doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. With HitPaw Edimakor, you can quickly generate, customize, and export subtitles in just a few steps. First, open Edimakor and import your video. Then, drag it to the timeline and go to the subtitle section. Click on Auto Subtitle, choose your language, and let Edimakor automatically recognize the audio and generate subtitles that match your video. Once the subtitles are created, you can easily edit the text, adjust timing, and customize the appearance. Choose different fonts, styles, animations, or highlight important words to make your subtitles more engaging. Edimakor also supports subtitle translation into over 130 languages, and you can export subtitle files in formats like SRT, VTT, ASS, and more. When everything is ready, simply export your video with subtitles included. That's how easy it is to add and edit subtitles with HitPaw Edimakor. Try it out and make your videos more accessible and engaging.